Kameel Majdali from Teach All Nations, welcoming you to Beyond the Box, offering you insight for today, hope for tomorrow from a biblical worldview. Have you ever been to Los Angeles? Well, Los Angeles is my birthplace, and I spent my early years there. You may know that Los Angeles has many entertainment opportunities. If you've been there, what has been yours? Disneyland, Hollywood, Knott's Berry Farm, Pacific Ocean Park, Magic Mountain. Well, let me tell you what my favorite place was. None of those. In fact, it's on the ranging mountains or the mountainside where the famous Hollywood sign is located. It's a place called Griffith Park. And Griffith Park has an observatory. That was my favorite place. For some reason, I was always interested in the space, the planet, the stars, you name it. Well, astronomy comes into play even now. You see, I just read that NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, founded in 1949 for the Western nations led by the United States to stand up to the threat of communism from the Soviet Union and its Warsaw Pact allies, which included Poland, East Germany, Czechoslovakia, Bulgaria, Romania, and Hungary. Well, NATO 30 years ago needed a new mission because the Cold War had finished. And so NATO is still in existence. It has 30 members, many Western countries, and it even includes Turkey. Well, the 30 members have what is called Article 5. When one country in NATO is attacked, they all are attacked and they respond. That's why NATO members fought with the Americans in Afghanistan, because America was attacked at 9/11. Well, now Article 5 may be invoked for something totally unexpected, and that is space. There are 2,000 satellites in space as I speak. More than half of them belong to NATO nations. They help you with your cell phones, your online banking, weather forecasts, and of course, the satellites can be used for military purposes. And so Article 5 could be invoked if any NATO nation is attacked from space. Now, this is all within human control. But let me tell you what's not in human control. As I speak, Asteroid 7494 1994 PC1 is passing by the Earth. It's coming an uncomfortable 1.2 million miles or 2 million kilometers. That's 5 times the distance that the moon is from our planet, but it's still close. This asteroid is over 1 kilometer long, or 0.6 of a mile, 2.5 times the size of the Empire State Building. An asteroid is basically a puny planet or rock that circles the sun like planets do. This particular one, Asteroid 7494 1994 PC1, came by our planet back in 1933 and promises to come back again in 200 years. If it were to hit the planet, it could be a big problem, though coming through our atmosphere might burn it up somewhat. The key thing is, it is not under our control whatsoever, unless we want to send a nuclear missile its way, and I'm not even sure that would help. But I'm glad for the words of Genesis, chapter 1, verse 16, which reads, "And God made 2 great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. He made the stars also." If this is truth, and is vouched for by Jesus Christ himself to be true, and by many others, then we have nothing to fear, because even the asteroids were the product of divine fiat, and the same one that created is the same one that can control. That's why Psalm 91 verse 1, "He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty." When God's in the picture, friends, you have nothing to worry